VivaStyle Paint On Plus is a varnish system for professional tooth whitening without using a tray. The product can be used to lighten individual teeth or entire rows of teeth. The whitening gel is suitable for various treatment modalities. First, examine your patient's medical and dental history and assess her dental state. Discuss the treatment schedule with your patient and inform her about the results that she may expect from the whitening procedure. Optrogate is a flexible lip and cheek retractor that facilitates access to the teeth. It is a patient-friendly device. After shade selection and professional tooth cleaning, the whitening treatment is begun. Fill one of the enclosed dispensing cups up to the brim with VivaStyle Paint On Plus. This will be sufficient material for treating the upper and lower jaw. Dry the tooth surfaces with an air syringe and apply a thin and even coating of VivaStyle Paint On Plus to the teeth using a brush. The varnish should be left to dry for 30 seconds and allowed to take effect for another 10 minutes. After the varnish has been allowed to take effect, remove the varnish film, for instance, with the help of a probe. Varnish film can be easily removed. Rinse off any varnish residues from the teeth with water spray and dry the teeth with an air syringe. In case of an intensive whitening treatment, examine the patient for individual hypersensitivities before you apply VivaStyle Paint On Plus a second time. You can repeat the whitening procedure up to 5 times. During and after the whitening treatment, we recommend applying a fluoride preparation to the teeth. For instance, use Fluor Protector S protective varnish together with the Optrogate lip and cheek retractor. To continue the whitening procedure, you may give your patient a VivaStyle Paint On Plus kit for use at home. The patient will carry on with the whitening procedure at home according to your instructions. The tooth shade stabilizes after a few days. Arrange a follow-up appointment with the patient for a final shade check. VivaStyle Paint On Plus, the professional varnish system for whitening teeth.